Hello there. So, in today's fast-paced business environment, supply chain management has evolved as a critical component of the success and competitiveness of business of all kinds. While a huge corporation usually dominate the supply chain management discourse, it is vital to realize the unique challenge and opportunity that small businesses face when managing their supply chains. This essay discuss the concept of the small business supply chain, underlining its importance, key components, and potential success strategies. The complete network of entities and action evolve in the manufacturing, distribution, and delivery of goods or service to end consumer is referred to a supply chain. Suppliers, producers, distributors, retailers, and logistic providers all collaborate to ensure a smooth flow of products or service from conception to consumption. This network may be smaller and less sophisticated for small businesses than for larger organizations. The importance of a well managed supply chain on their operation and overall success, on the other hand, cannot be overstated. Efficient supply chain management enables small businesses to maximize their resources, cut costs, and increase customer satisfaction. So today, we will look at one small company, Wow Tradisi Rahat, and how they manage their supply chain.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. My name is Nurul binti Zakaria. My badge number A20B0002EP. So I'm going to talk about the company's background. The company established since 1967 and formerly known as Syarikat Selera Pantai Timur. It was converted to Wow Tradisi Enterprise in 2006 and changed to Wow Tradisi Sdn Bhd in 2018. The company is a pioneer in the spice sector on Malaysia's East Coast. The brand Wow Tradisi has over 63 goods ranging from ground spice powder to meat spice powder and can be purchased in practically every retail establishment in East Coast Malaysia. Because of their vast reach and rapid visit cycles, they can ensure that any product purchased by the consumers in Malaysia is never more than 3 months old. As consumers, they considered that fragrances and flavor were of the utmost significance in the food industry. This compelled them to not only employ the finest ingredients from across the world, but also to develop halal-certified revolutionary state-of-the-art production and hygienic packaging procedures that ensure their product line adheres to the strongest international standard. A commitment to not using non-vegetarian components or flavor enhancers in their goods forces them to rely solely on the greatest grade of ingredients gathered from throughout the world. This dedication to purity and quality has resulted in a line of products that is not just a national and regional favorite, but also a global quality standard barrier.
Assalamualaikum, Prof. My name is Tuan Ayati. I'm going to present logistics supply chain. Transportation, warehousing, inventory control, order fulfillment, and material handling are the example of all logistic activities. It is critical for every firm since it can lower overall operational costs and increase business efficiency. A successful supply chain relies heavily on the logistics. Wow Tradisi logistics effort begin with order processing for all orders received from various customers. These orders will be transferred into the system and can be accessed and viewed by other departments within the organization for further processing. Next activity is material handling and storage area or warehousing. Since the materials are not so heavy to be lifted, Wow Tradisi did not use any equipment to move the materials into from storage area to production area. Thus, they reduce the cost of buying expensive material handling equipment. They keep all dry spices in a closed containers to ensure the freshness. Inventory control is the process of ensuring the right amount of supply is available in an organization. With the appropriate internal and production controls, the practice ensures the company to meet customers' demand and deliver financial elasticity. The inventory is kept in this company to ensure a good tracking technique for all materials used in the manufacturing. It assists the company in determining which sorts of dry spices to order and how much to order and when to order. It keeps tracks of inventory from the time it is purchased until it is sold. tight management is essential to ensure that all required materials are always available when needed for manufacture. Economic order quantity inventory management is used to lower the expenses of merchandise, holding too long in the shop, ordering costs and demand rate. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Logistic supply chain. Transportation is a major expense incurred by the organization to ensure that all material and final products are included and delivered on time. For the record, the company owner one 3 tonnage truck, 2 van and 1 4-wheel drive vehicle for logistics and transportation. These vehicles make easier to transport things and transporting to end user. The administration of the transportation of goods and service is referred to as supply chain management, which encompasses all activity and convert raw material into completed commodities. It comprises the international simplification of a company supply side activity in order to maximize customer value, and again a market competitive advantage. While tradition, on the other hand, take the supply chain seriously. It is because they have a lot of competitor in doing curry mixer and spice powder. They ensure to deliver their item in good condition in time. Inbound and outbound transportation management, fleet management, warehousing, material handling, order fulfillment, logistic network design, inventory management, supply demand reforecasting, and administration of third-party logistic service provided are a few examples for logistic management operation. The logistic function also encompasses to various degrees: customer service, packaging and assembly, sourcing and procurement, and production planning and scheduling.